Welcome to Eden's Door, Tobago, where nature lovers and wellness seekers alike can come and experience the beauty of this heavenly eco-residential community. With both town and country and health approvals, freehold land with deed, access to paved roads, water and electricity all ready for use, spectacular is an understatement when it comes to describing this amazing environment. This property offers more than just open spaces. Experience the calming ocean, breathtaking mountainside views within a private park setting. Feel inspired by the abundant fruit trees in bloom, while also being surrounded by flora and fauna in their natural habitats. Although you'll feel completely at peace amongst such beauty, you're still close enough to Scarborough, only 5 minutes away, for amenities like hospitals or shopping centers nearby. Discover incredible experiences with Eden's Door. Explore what our residents are sharing about their time here. Eden's Door offers a peaceful, safe, and environmentally friendly living experience with nearby beaches and shopping areas, making it the perfect place for natural healers. Eden's Door offers tranquil countryside living with easy access to essential amenities, creating a dreamlike atmosphere for those who enjoy the outdoors. Eden's Door provides peace, birds, nature, beaches, fitness trails, spectacular views and remarkable sunsets, making it an ideal choice for those wanting to experience the best of Tobago. Take advantage now of this opportunity to reap the benefits of wellness that comes with living amidst such tranquility. Prices range from $750,000 up to $1.6 million depending on plot size and location. So contact us now at 868-470-5664 for further details about Eden's Door, Tobago.